What's up, y'all? That boy JD back with another video. I got something in the mail today. Woo. I've been waiting. This is the one part I needed for this shit to like really go. So for y'all who didn't know, or who doesn't know, I be driving like this, but my knoc sensor has been bad for like the past 2 weeks, and this shit makes me burn hella gas. So I finally went and ordered one. I had to save up some money, but long story short, it's right here. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I looked up on YouTube to see if there was any videos, but I didn't see any how to change a knoc sensor on this car. So without further ado, we're gonna. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I got a bunch of cool content coming. I'm looking to upgrade this channel, like really make it more user friendly, make everything clean. All the pictures I take clean. That's what I want. Also with that, I'm saving up for another camera, but we're gonna have to bear with this iPhone camera for a little bit. But there's a process. All right, so if we're changing the knoc sensor in this car, it's gonna be under the intake manifold. It's straight into the block, like plugged in like that. And I haven't decided if I want to go through the front or through the side over here. Just pull back the radiator support. But we're gonna figure that out right now. Unboxing, yeah. Okay. All right, so I had to open it with my hands. It's kind of hard to record, do all that at the same time. But here we go right here. Here we go right here. New knoc sensor. Looks pretty good to me. Let's see how it goes. Always check before you start working on a car if you have the tools you need. Cause I almost pulled this whole thing apart, and I don't even have the socket for the knoc sensor. I'm going to O'Reilly's right now. It's like 9 o'clock. Yeah, they're going to let me in too. All right, so these are the tools I think I'm going to need. Of course, a breaker bar, 1/2 inch. I don't have actually, I do have a ratchet. You know what? Put this here too. 1/2 drive ratchet, 1/2 drive breaker bar, extension, 10 mil. And the size of the knoc sensor, it's a 15/16. I'm gonna show you right here. That's what I went to go get, the socket for this. But yeah, here's what I'm gonna try to do. I saw someone took off the bumper and reach under through here just by pulling this little support back. So I'm gonna try that. Seems like the fastest way to do it. All right, so I turned like a 45-minute job to a 10-minute one. So what I did basically, I got it loose. All right, I basically turned a 45-minute job into a 10-minute job. All I did, remove this bolt right here, and if you have the one right here, remove that too. And this one over here, you can pull this up and move it out the way. You're gonna unbolt this bolt for the AC condenser. Move this up out of the way on this corner. Then you're gonna pick up the radiator and just pull it out of the way. Then you're gonna reach your hand all the way in here, feel around. You should feel it. And straight in the middle of the motor. You can see it through here. You can see now, right? With the flash, you should be able to. Shit. There you go. You see it? Barely. There it is. So here we go right here. And I suggest you let your engine cool before you do this, because my arm is burning right now. And there it is. Old knoc sensor, looks like shit. And here's a new one. Put this on right now. Now that we got the knoc sensor done, I'm gonna do a little test drive. I'm gonna rock no front bumper because I don't have enough zip ties to put the bumper on in the first place. So fuck it, might as well. No bumper. It looks good anyway. Yeah, let's go. Good news, I found the leak. It is a valve cover. There's a little spot right here. This little silver thing right here. Every time I wipe it with my finger, more oil comes back. You can't really see, but it's happening right now. I see it dripping. Yeah. All right, now that's good. That's good. Now we know where the leak's coming from. For sure, for sure. Yeah. hope y'all enjoyed this little quick tutorial. As y'all saw in the last couple of clips, that car is running way healthier. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Next video, I'm changing the valve cover gasket. And then that should be clear with the oil leak. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next one. Well, I was gonna end the video, but I decided to do the valve cover right now. Since it's only gonna take me like 10 minutes. Might as well, right? So to change the valve cover gasket, all you need is a 10 mil. Straight up, a 10 mil. And maybe a screwdriver. But yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start by taking off all of these top mount bolts. Oh shit, okay, good. And then after that, we're gonna take this off. Remove that hose, get these out of the way. These little throttle wires, throttle cables. And then that's it. You gotta take out the coil packs, and you can leave the spark plugs. But yeah, let's get started. Bolted, it should look something like this. Depending on your motor, this shit will be either really dirty or clean. After that, just make sure you clean up this little mounting area over here, the mating surface, so it'll be solid to get on. And here's the valve cover gasket right here. Let's go check out the old one. So this is my old one. I didn't think it was leaking, but one of my friends in the comments told me to check it out. So it's only 20 bucks, why not? Got the valve cover gasket on there. I ran into a little setback. When you're trying to take the spark plug seals off, you gotta pry them. I use this little flathead here, but just pry on. Keep going to each little corner, I guess. And then once you take it off with the new one, make sure you seat it right. If you don't seat these right, your shit will leak bad, I promise you. Like bad. But yeah, yeah, make sure you can't pull it out. Make sure. If you can pull it out, it's not seated. You should not be able to use your hand to get these out. Yeah, let's put it back on the car. Once you get everything back together, check everything, make sure it's tight. Also, I recommend you put the valve cover bolts on before you put the coil pack so you can adjust the valve cover. After that, you're straight. So I'm gonna see if the leak comes back. If not, I'm really gonna be done. I'm done with the motor in terms of keeping it healthy. And then we can start with some mods. If everything checks out, we should be able to start with some mods in the next couple of weeks, maybe next week or two. I got my eyes on some wheels and this exhaust I want too. So y'all stay tuned for that. This is the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I'll see y'all in the next one.